Now class 12, we are focusing towards the numerical part of depression in freezing point. As in the previous video, we have already discussed the derivation, definitions for depression, the freezing point, and we have also discussed that what type of questions are asked in your ISC chemistry paper. So now we are focusing on the numerical. So I have written the first numerical. The weight of glucose is 0.625 grams dissolved in 102.8 grams of water. Freezing point of water is 273 Kelvin. A kf for water they have given you. Atomic weights of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen is given to you. Calculate the freezing point of the solution. Now first point is, let's focus on it, freezing point. Sometimes they are giving the value of freezing point of water and sometimes they don't give you. So you should know that it is 0 degree Celsius, you know, and you know how to convert it. That 0 is being added, you are adding 273 to this 0 and it is converted to Kelvin. So nobody will going to teach you how you have to convert it. It is you should know and you should remember it, right? Second point is that your duty is just write down what is being given to you and what is being asked. So they have given you about the T naught value, that is 273 Kelvin. They are asking you about Ts. They have given you the value of W2, that is weight of the solute, non-volatile solute, 0.625 grams. They have given you the weight of the solvent, I think 102.8 grams. Then they have asked you to calculate the molecular weight M2. You can do it. You should know the formula of glucose. Again I am telling you, it's not necessary. They'll give you the formula. You are big now and they want that you should know the formulas of few of the particular compounds. So maybe suppose I am giving you C6H12O6. So you can easily calculate the molecular weight of it. You know how to calculate it. Suppose if you don't know, then just see carbon value, how much they have given you. They have given you 12. So 6 into 12, because 6 atoms of carbon are there, plus 12 atom of hydrogen is there, atomic number is 1, plus 6 atom of oxygen is there, and 16. So when you will calculate it, you will get around 180. So remember this value that glucose has 180. There are certain specific questions that are asked frequently, so I advise my students to learn it, because there is no need to calculate this value, show this. So this M2 is, now everything is given to you. Now you can easily substitute, even though they have given you the Kf value also. So write down Kf 1.87 kg mole. Please see this value, whatever they are giving you. So it's been changed every time, so focus on it. Now you know the formula, that is delta TF is equals to Kf into W2 into 1000 upon M2 into W1. Now this thing is being elaborated, that is being changed T0 minus Ts. So Kf into W2 into 1000 upon M2 into W. Put the values, what is being asked. 273 minus Ts. Kf value was given to us, that is 1.87 into 0.625 into 1000 divided by M2 180 we have calculated. This is 102.8. So when you calculate it, please take the help of the calculators, because calculators are allowed. So this way you can put your answer. This will be your answer. Maybe possible you are putting in 2 decimal, so it will be changed 94 हो जाएगा. Somebody is putting in 1 decimal, then it will be changed, है ना. So maybe possible it can match like in this way, or 272.94 somebody can write. So it's your choice what you are, or somebody can write 272.9. So please try to put till 3 decimal place. That is more convenient. Sometime 2, but don't try to make it in a whole number. Class, we are again focusing on another question. Ethylene glycol is used as an anti-freezer agent. Calculate the amount of ethylene glycol to be added to 4 kg of water to prevent it from freezing at minus 6 degrees centigrade. Kf for water is this. So what they have given us, they have given us the value of W1, W1, then W2 they are asking you weight of the solute you have to calculate. Then Kf value they have given us 1.85 kgs में ही they have given us. And there are few things which you have to remember, that weight, molecular mass. So molecular weight, सबसे पहले you should know the ethylene glycol formula. That is very important. Ethylene glycol is CH2OH, CH2OH. They have not given you the formula, so this you should know. So suppose carbon is 12, H is 1, oxygen is 16. So you can easily calculate by this formula about this thing. You will get 62, around 62 will get it. So this value will get. Now we have everything with us. So one more thing is being left. What is given to us? It's TF is given to us, T0 is given to us, or TS. They have given us about, they are asking the water to prevent it from freezing at, mean solute is been added in the water, and now it has been, you want that it should be prevent from freezing at itna, तो means Ks value is given to you. वाटर की वैल्यू जो है, जब वो उसमें नॉन वोलेटाइल सॉलिड डाल दिया जा रहा है तो वो आपको वैल्यू दी, और वाटर की आपको खुद को तो मालूम ही है. सो नाउ यू कैन ईजिली कैलकुलेट टी एफ, डेल्टा टी एफ वैल्यू. सो डेल्टा टी एफ इज़ हाउ मच? T0 minus Ts. So 0 minus 6, this will be 6. Now we can easily put the values over here. So delta TF is equals to Kf into W2 into 1000 upon M2 into W1. So let's focus on it, what is being asked, and we can put the values. This is the formula. Now please remember it, that delta TF value we have calculated 6, molecular weight we have 62, weight is being given to us, that is 4 kg. So please convert it into grams. Either you put it directly over here, जैसे आपने into 1000 कर दीजिए, और यहाँ पे या तो आप डायरेक्ट 4000 लिख दीजिए. इट इज़ योर चॉइस. सो आई एम पुटिंग 4000 here. It's your choice what you want to take it. So Kf value is 1.85 into 1000. So this way we'll calculate W2, that was 804.32 grams will be the answer. First of all, we are focusing on the third question. 0.1539 mole solution of cane sugar, whose molecular mass is 342 grams mole minus 1, has a freezing point of 373 Kelvin, while the freezing point of pure water is this much. This is the half question. What will be the freezing point of an aqueous solution containing 5 grams of glucose, whose molar mass is this much, per 100 grams of the solution? So if you see this particular numerical, then you will see that the first part, molality is been given to us 0.1539 molar solution. Then we have given you the molar mass also, that is 342 grams mole minus 1 is been given to us. Then they have given you the temperature, that is T0, and Ts is also given to us. T0 is about 273.15 because that is a pure of freezing by pure water. Then this is 273 Kelvin. This particular scenario is for your cane sugar, and the other thing is given for the glucose part. Glucose, they have given you about the weight, W2 value 5 grams, M2 they have given you 180, then W1 they have given you 100. So this way you can see. Now let's focus on this part. This thing, this is a dummy value, there is no need to see this. So delta TF is equals to Kf into M, because Kf is not given to you, so Kf you have to calculate from here. So delta TF will be T0 minus Ts is equals to Kf into M. So this will be about 273.15 minus 273 Kf into, that is M, 0.1539. So we get it about 2.15 Kf into 0.1539. So KF will be this thing 2.15 divided by 0.1539. So we'll get it about 13.9701. It's your choice, 2 place, 3 place, whatever. It's depend to person because the person what they are using in a decimal point. Or sometimes children are leaving, they are not calculating in this way, they are only using this and the formula, they are putting this value. So from here you will get the KF because the solution is the same, because from there solution, from that solution you are taking out, है ना. तो KF will be the same for both the cases. So because over here let's focus on this part what is been given to us. So delta TF is equals to KF into W2 into 1000 upon M2 into W1. So we get it this value of 13.971701 into W2. How much they have given us? 5 into 1000 about M2 180 and W1 is 100. So delta TF we can easily calculate it from here, and that is about 3.88. Now let's focus on it, because the freezing point of the solution, they are asking you freezing point of the solution they want. So what your will be the answer? Delta TF is equals to T naught minus TS, because the solution are same, दोनों ही water में बने हुए हैं, है ना. तो KF दोनों का ही same होगा. So you can easily calculate the values, and from that 273.17 minus 115 3.88, you'll get to 69.27 Kelvin. This will be your answer for this. Please focus on the numericals part. They are important. Every year they are asking you the numericals. I am not focusing on the numericals based on Van't Hoff factor just now, nor on dimerization or association or dissociation, because that topic I have not yet discussed with you all. That's why when I discuss that topic, then we'll do these numericals on this topic, depression and freezing point, once again related to that topics, Van't Hoff factors, as well as in abnormal behaviors of the molecular weights. So that portion we'll discuss later on in different videos, but just now we are just talking about the simple facts of depression in freezing point, and we are doing the numericals on that basis also. So please don't get confused when you see the books and they are asking you about the Van't Hoff factors or degree of association or degree of dissociation. Don't get panic, wait for the time whereas we have completed these portions. Once we'll complete it, we'll go on that points.